Want to delete your Instagram account permanently? Here's how. Open Instagram and go to Profile. Tap the three-line menu, then Settings and Activity. Open Accounts Center. Tap Manage Account, then Manage. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Tap Delete Account, then press Continue. Now follow screen instructions. Enter your password and confirm.